John strikes me as the type of guy who's failed at just about everything he's ever done.
He strikes me as someone with a fragile ego.
You don't strike me as a man who makes very many mistakes.
You don't strike me as a surfer dude.
The phrase, strike someone as, is an idiom used when something gives someone a particular impression or feeling, often based on intuition or observation. It means that a person or situation appears to have a certain quality or characteristic, even if it's not directly stated. For example, if someone says, "He strikes me as very confident," it means the person seems confident based on how they behave or present themselves. For examples, if someone says, "She strikes me as kind," it means that just by observing how she talks or behaves, they get the feeling that she is a kind person. She didn't have to say, "I'm kind," but her actions or words make people feel that way about her. Another example, if someone says, "That strikes me as strange," they mean something seems odd or unusual to them. They got the feeling that something wasn't right, even if they can't explain exactly why. So, when you use strike someone as, you're talking about the feeling or impression you get from a person or a situation without needing clear proof.
Before I proposed to Tiffany, I wanted to run it by my buddies that I played ball with at the local playground.
When I first had the idea, I ran it by her, and she was so happy for us.
Stealing a fucking
run it
phone?
by me. If you're gonna be stealing stuff, you gotta
Run it by you.
Run it by me.
Okay, Nick, will you hold this for a second? What are you doing? Don't run. I'm not gonna run anything by you.
The phrase, run it by, means to quickly tell or show something to someone to get their opinion, approval, or feedback. It's like saying, "I want to check with you about this," or "Let me see what you think." For example, "Let me run it by my boss before we make a decision." This means you want to check with your boss to get their approval or thoughts before doing anything. Another example, "I'll run the idea by you later to see if you like it." This means you will share the idea with someone to hear their opinion or get their feedback. It's often used when you want someone's input or permission before moving forward with something.
I'm sorry that I strung you along.
My whole family really loved the last guy I went out with, and he strung me along for a year and then dumped me.
He's stringing you along, and the worst part is you're just letting him.
I didn't want to string you along. Let's just be friends.
The phrase, string someone along, means to mislead or deceive someone, usually by giving them false hope or making them believe something that isn't true. It's often used when someone is keeping another person waiting or uncertain, especially in situations involving relationships or promises. For example, he's been stringing her along for months, pretending he wants a serious relationship when he really doesn't. This means he is giving her false hope about the relationship without any real intention of committing. Another example, the company strung him along, making him think he'd get the job, but they never hired him. Here, the company kept giving him hope without any plan to follow through. It's usually seen as unfair or dishonest because the person is being kept in the dark or led on with false promises.